everyone, this is Regina. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, well, go subscribe already. I'm showing my face because I think I did a decent job putting on my makeup today. If you don't like it, just say so and tell me. I'm not a makeup artist. I struggle to put eyeliner on. Look at that. But I think I did a decent job of it today. But, you know, I think it's okay. I'm not thinking it's the best. I could do better probably, but you know, everything takes practice. You have to work on everything that you need in life. Everything that you want to do, you have to actually put in the work. And this is something I really love. I love beauty. I love nails, obviously. I love it because that's what my channel is about. So hopefully you like the video and hope you continue to watch. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.